how painful is the hair transplant?
Yeah, so pain in hair transplant generally happens when we are giving local anesthesia. And that can also be minimized if we are using very fine needle, fine gauge needle, and if we are using vibration devices to give that local anesthesia, numbing devices. So now there are a lot of cool tip vibration devices also, which minimize the pain, stimulates your cold receptors, and at the same time, vibratory receptors are also stimulated. That way, even that pinprick is minimum. I would say the kind of pain you feel during giving the local anesthesia would match your pain which you get either making the tattoos or if you have got a PRP done, so similar kind of pain. But once that is done, and if it is given properly, the local anesthesia is given, then it becomes a totally painless procedure. Post procedure, we generally start with the painkillers for 3 to 5 days, and generally patients, I would say 99% of our patients generally say that the pain, they have no pain, and they were scared about it unnecessarily. But 1 to 2% cases, people having very sensitive scalps, they have some long lasting, like I would say, like couple of days to a week or even 10 days, they can have some pain, especially in the donor area.
So, unless the pain threshold of the patient is very low, usually it's a painless
Yeah,
procedure.
so pain is also very subjective. We have had a
Yes.
lot of patients who went on sleeping even while we are giving the local anesthesia.
Right.
They were totally unperturbed, and there was some who just even at the thought of needle start getting that pain sensation. Yeah. So it's very subjective. Yes.